Mihango ya gwaka thibitari ya kurigita mathina ma uciari hari atumia ithiite na mbere kunyita thinga. Gavana wa Kiambu thirikari yake rugamirire waki uyu ni gucerete mwako-ini na kugetanyitwo kurikiririo mweri-ini wa itandatu.
This is our new reproductive health unit, 375 beds, the first of its kind in the country. And we are happy that it's progressing well. We are hoping to open it in the first week of June. And I can say we are on target.
Thibitari no ikuhuthira muigana wa shiringi milioni 800 na igukora na itanda 300. No imwe wa thibitari ithano cia gikiro kia level 4 itanyitwo gwako ni thirikari ino ya Kiambu.
We have 5 new level 4 hospitals that we're building, one in Lari, one in Togoto, one in Tigoni, one in Kabete, and now this one in Thika. And we are hoping most of them will be complete before the end of this year.
Thirikari ya Kiambu hari maundu maria koretwo gikira ni kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri guku gavana Kaba gwakite guthi na mbere na kugacirithia sekta ino ona thengia wa kuimukurani wa Njiku wa Kiambu ithurano-ini cia wamurani cia Jubilee.
What you have seen here is something that government has not been able to do in many years. A project of this nature, you can imagine how much money this project is going to take. It's about 800 million. In the old days, it would take 2 billion to do this and it will never finish. But with our target of 800 million, we should be able to open this hospital and have beds and equipment in place by the end of this month.
Icera ria Kaba riukite thikuni ni tututha wa ithurano icio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.